Welcome to my channel. This is Dot Mountain. In this video, I will be showing you how you can connect your Exchange wallet to your Hamster. So what you need to do is you click airdrop and then you swipe up. When you swipe down, you'll see that there is that first wallet that you had connected to Hamster, and it's ticked. So what is it that you have to do for you to switch to the Exchange platform? What you need to do is you simply pick the Exchange platform that you would want to connect to your Hamster. So we can go by OKX, and everything that I'm gonna do will be exactly what you need to do even on other platforms like Binance. For now, Binance is congested, so they have actually locked the TAN blockchain. So they're asking here, they're saying, do you have an OKX account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Hamster. If you have it, you go by the second option, say yes, I have it. If you don't have it, you simply go by the first option by saying no, let's create it. And you don't need to worry because they will walk you through the entire steps, starting from the first to the last. Okay, so let's go by the second. Yes, I have it. Okay, so here what they need is you to copy the OKX UID. If you will use Bybit, you need to copy the UID as well from Bybit. If it's Binance, they'll ask you to punch in the UID. So let's start with OKX. So what we need is to visit OKX. So let's take a ride. Okay, so once you log on to OKX, what you need to do is to activate Exchange. And then you click in the top left. Thereafter, you click the arrow at the far right of the email address. And now, before you do anything, you have to make sure that you have your OKX account verified. Now, this one will ensure that you don't lose your tokens. Okay, so once you're in, you'll see your UID there. That's the one here. Just click copy and it's copied. Then we head back to Hamster, and we are here. So what we'll do is we are back onto Hamster. What we'll do is we tap and then we click and hold, then paste in the UID. There it is. Then we'll need to head back to OKX so that we now get the deposit address for Hamster. So now hold on tight and keep your eyes opened. I'm going back. Okay, so now we are back in OKX. So what we need to do is we click the arrow in the top left so that we go to the main page. Then once we in, we have to click deposit. Then you need to tap on top there, then type in HMSTR, which is Hamster. I had already searched for it and it's there, as you can see, but since it to be your first time, you'll see it and you see the hamster animal there. So just click it. Okay, so here you need to choose the hamster tone. That's the network you need to go by. So once you are in, the next thing is to make sure that you copy the address. Okay, the address is this one here. Just click there. Okay, then click the address and head back to Hamster. Paste it in here in the second box. Now remember that I say that you would need to paste in the memo The memo is very important, otherwise you'll lose your token. So let's head back again. So the memo is actually the comment, that one which is indicated as the comment here. Copy it. Then funding. Okay. So that has to be, okay, funding. Since we've copied the memo, we can now go to Hamster Kombat. And then you paste in here the memo. Tap and hold, then paste. Then you can save and choose. And boom, you will see something like this. Well done. Stay tuned with updates. Just hit thanks.